see my mouth, you don't tell her. I ain't telling cause I give you umbrella. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last cash, pendant. I show you my best friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Show you my best friend. I give you my last cash, pendant. Everything I do, I under 50 under. Oh, you never be under. I know 50 understand. That's the way you do me, yeah. Content. I don't fight the uniform man. Oluwa, can you fix the problem? Thunder, fire, that your reason. Where they give you tip to make you leave me. Thunder, fire, that your reason. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last cash, pendant. I show you my best friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Show you my best friend. I give you my last guy, you spend down. Everything I do, I under 50 under. Oh, you never be under. I know 50 understand. That's the way you do me, yeah. Under 50 under. Under 50 understand. That's the way you do me, yeah. Under 50 under.
Listen, 169. This is a tale of two men, this is Jekyll and Hyde. Have you ever had a war of your mind? It's like I'm two men trying to juggle college and money, but this is useless. Cause either way, one of them suffers because of music. Telling Jussie on the phone, bailiffs climbing windows, trying to run up in my home and take everything I own. The girls will never know the choices that I made, all the nights that I prayed. Got air, took the road that I chose. Bruv, I'm local to home, making phone calls for dough. I implode or I blow. You couldn't buy my attention, it's either there or not. You ever spoke to the devil, you would lose the fear in God. He doesn't come round here, it's crazy, right? How a judge can give a life and take a life. I nearly died that night, it's crazy, right? That's why you don't get involved when they play with knives. Nah, but let me tell you about my life. I came from a family of 5. If I tried to tell my story, swear down you would cry. But all you need to know is I've lost every single man inside my life, and so I lost my way. It's like, who do you follow when your time feels borrowed and your idol's gonna stray? My words carry weight. It's like, who do you follow when your time feels borrowed and your idol's gonna stray? And so I put my heart in my friends, started writing bars. I was trying to be the hardest on ends.